Virtue is the fount whence honor springs. I value unity because I believe we learn truth from each other in this process. Most jokes state a bitter truth. A writer should have this little voice inside of you saying, tell the truth, reveal a few secrets here. I think all good reporting is the same thing, the best attainable version of the truth. Always speak the truth, think before you speak and write it down afterwards. Humor is the truth, wit is an exaggeration of the truth. Pain is the doorway to wisdom and to truth. Pretty woman, I don't believe you, you are not the truth. No one could look as good as you, Mercy. The great quest of life has always been to discover truth. The best mind-altering drug is the truth. I believe in God, family, truth between people, the power of love. Poetry is the art of uniting player with truth.